Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to mark an employee as inactive within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, he or she can click on the Quick Actions drop-down and select the Initiate Employee Inactive button. Once done, the employee name or ID of the same should be entered. Inactivity cannot be marked for employees who are already inactive and who have retired from the organization. Once entered, the corresponding fields are displayed and the user can select the reason for the employee to be marked as inactive. Once all the mandatory fields are filled, the inactivity can be initiated and the same will be updated in the status cards as well. Thank you for watching.